Today, we're making tacos because nothing says I've got my life together like food you can eat with one hand while scrolling on your phone with the other. Here's what you'll need. Also, ingredients are listed in the description. 1 pound of ground beef, or chicken, or turkey. Basically, whichever animal looked at you funny at the grocery store. A packet of taco seasoning, or if you're fancy, you can mix chili powder, cumin, paprika, salt, and garlic powder. But honestly, the packet's like magic dust for adults. Half a cup of water straight from the sink, bottled or stolen from your roommate. Doesn't matter. About 8 taco shells. Hard, soft, or the kind that break as soon as you pick them up. A cup of shredded cheese, because cheese is happiness in edible form. A cup of shredded lettuce, so you can pretend it's healthy. 1 diced tomato, for color more than taste. And finally, sour cream, salsa, or guac if you're feeling extra. Optional, but highly recommended unless you enjoy sadness. Step 1. Cook the meat. Throw your ground beef in a hot pan. Break it up like you're smashing your stress into tiny little pieces. Cook until it's brown because pink tacos aren't on the menu today. Step 2. Add seasoning. Sprinkle in that taco seasoning and add water. Stir it up until it's saucy and smells like Tuesday night happiness. This is the part where the kitchen turns into a flavor nightclub. Step 3. Warm your shells. Grab your taco shells and heat them up. Oven, skillet, or microwave, it doesn't matter. Just don't burn them. Nobody wants a taco that crunches like drywall. Step 4. Assemble. Fill your shells with meat, then add cheese, lettuce, tomato, and all the extras. Stack it up high, but remember gravity is real, and tacos will betray you the second you bite in. And boom, you've got tacos. Fast, easy, and guaranteed to turn dinner into a fiesta. Just be prepared to wear half of it on your shirt because that's the true taco experience.